I'm James Willis from the Activity Industry Mutual, or AIM.
And what does AIM do?
Well, AIM's different from conventional insurers. We're a mutual, which means that we are owned and controlled by our membership. In other words, those that we provide cover to. They elect the board, and the board represents them. And one of the board's primary duties is to appoint a manager, which is where we come in. That's Regis Mutual Management. But this is a mutual that is wholly focused on the outdoors world. As a project, it came into being in sort of 2003-04, when insurance was particularly difficult to get for outdoor activity providers. Insurers didn't really want to touch them. So we conducted a survey of the sector, of the ALA license centres, to establish a risk profile that could be presented to the insurance industry. The point of the mutual is that we retain, or the mutual retains, the sort of everyday risk and the risk management. And for the possibility of a catastrophe event or an accumulation of losses falling within the mutual's retention, we have an excess insurance policy. In the wholesale market, it's the Mitsui syndicate at Lloyd's that insures the...
May I ask, what do you offer centres that another kind of insurance company that isn't a mutual offers? So what makes you different for an activity centre looking for an insurer?
Well, as a mutual, we don't have any conflict of interests in that our focus is wholly on the member. There are no outside shareholders that have to be satisfied. We also have a board of 6 taken from the outdoor industry, and they have an understanding of the outdoors a lot better than the average insurer. So we tailor our coverage to fit the requirements of the sector.
And how many centres are using your insurance company at the moment?
Well, we're up to over 190 now, and we've had a 30% growth in membership last year. Prospects are looking bright for us. I think that the appeal of the mutual is strong, and the fact that we retain most of the contribution that members pay us, it's a minority of the contribution that goes towards the excess insurance premium, means that in a volatile sector we can provide the stability that a commercial insurer, commercial insurers haven't been able to do over the last 15 years or so.
Okay. And if an activity centre was interested in finding out more about what you do, how could they get in touch with you?
Well, there's the website, activitymutualindustries.com. There is the Regis website. We are on the BAHA website, the IOL website, and also the ALA website. So there are pick-up points across the sector.
Okay, and the website address again is www.activitiesindustrymutual.co.uk. I think I previously said .com. Okay. Well, thanks very much. And I think you do quite a lot to support the outdoor industry. You're involved with the BAHA Conference here today. What other involvement do you have with bodies like BAHA?
We have an involvement with IOL. I think the fact that we're focused on this sector, we are particularly interested in risk management and particularly after the event incident management. So if something does happen, the member has the documentary evidence there to establish exactly what did happen, and the claim can be dealt with economically and efficiently without employing outsiders to run the thing for us.
So really, whatever size the centre is, if it's a small centre with just a few staff or a large centre like this one, here we are at Boreatton Park with 900 beds or so, whatever the size of centre, you can actually tailor an insurance package for that centre.
Yes, we like a broad mix to our portfolio, from the biggest organisations to the individual instructor.
Okay, thanks very much, James. It's been very helpful.
Thank you, Andrew.